Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, everyone. Most welcome in this oral question session. Here you can clear your all doubts belonging to English translation.
Sir, my question is, please instruct me short cut way to translate Hindi sentence belonging to future tense.
Okay. For future tense, you need to remember structure, their identification, and examples for four forms like future indefinite tense or simple future tense, and second one is future continuous tense or future imperfect tense or future progressive tense. Third one is future perfect tense, and fourth one is future perfect continuous tense. So,
Sir, first question is future indefinite tense. What is the identification of Hindi identification of future indefinite tense?
for Hindi identification of future indefinite tense, you need to remember Hindi sentences ending with ga, gi, ge. As for example, मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. I shall go to the school. वह स्कूल जाएगी. She will go to the school. Ram school जाएगा. Ram will go to the school.
And sir, what is the structure of future indefinite tense?
Very simple. The structure of future indefinite tense is subject plus will oblique shall plus V1 plus object or complement.
Sir, second one is future continuous tense. And what is the identification of future continuous tense with example?
Actually, Hindi identification for future continuous tense or future imperfect tense or progressive tense is रहेगा, रहेगी, रहेंगे. As for example, मैं स्कूल जाता रहूँगा. I shall be going to the school. सीता स्कूल जाती रहेगी. Sita will be going to the school.
And sir, what is the structure of future continuous tense?
And structure for future continuous tense is subject plus will be or shall be plus V4 plus object.
So third one is future perfect tense. What is the Hindi identification of future perfect tense with Hindi example?
Hindi sentences ending with चुका, चुकेगा, चुकेगी, चुकेंगे comes under future perfect tense. As for example, मैं स्कूल जा चुकूंगा. I shall have gone to the school. मैं आम खा चुकूंगा. I shall have eaten the mango.
And sir, what is the structure of future perfect tense?
Very simple. It is subject plus will have or shall have plus V3 plus object.
Sir, fourth one is and last one is future perfect continuous tense. What is the Hindi identification of future perfect continuous tense with example, and what is the structure of future continuous tense?
It is very simple. Hindi sentences ending with ता रहेगा, ती रहेंगी, ते रहेंगे, etc. are treated as future perfect continuous tense. As for example, मैं 2 महीने तक उपन्यास लिखता रहूंगा. I shall have been writing the novel for 2 months or 2 years as per your requirement. If you are assured to write it for 2 years, yes, as in Hindi, मैं 2 वर्षों तक उपन्यास लिखता रहूंगा. I shall have been writing the novel for 2 years. If you say मैं 2 महीनों तक उपन्यास लिखता रहूँगा, then you can write I shall have been writing the novel for 2 months. But further a question arises that if there is point of time, then you need to use not since like other form of tense. Here in future tense you have to use for.
Sir,
Many more.
and what is the structure of future perfect
The
continuous?
structure, that is subject plus will have been or shall have been plus V4 plus for plus object. तुम बोलो.
I have finished my question, sir.
Okay, if you have finished your question, then see you. All the best in next class.
Thank you, sir.
See you in next class.
Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.